Lift going down.
And now we're going to go to another shopping centre in Guildford, and this is a rather odd little shopping centre. It's all tucked away from the main high street and it's very 80s looking, and there are no lifts here. Despite this place having an underground car park, no lift at all whatsoever, which is rather disappointing. Right then, along we go into House of Fraser, and the lifts there are some really nice 2 meters a second Otis 2000s. Let's ride the first one. And now we're going to go into the other really nice 2 meters a second Otis 2000 lift in the House of Fraser. Let's ride it!
Going up. Doors closing. Fifth floor. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing. Lower ground floor. Doors opening.
And now we're out of the House of Fraser and we're going to go into the next shop, which has a really nice old Hampden Chambliss lift. Let's ride it! And now, next to the shop is a staircase going up to the offices above the shop, and these offices also have another really nice old Hampden Chambliss lift. Let's ride it! go along into the library, which is a 1960s building, but sadly the lift has been replaced with a stupid generic. But one thing about this lift I haven't seen before, it has light up Dewhurst key switches. Let's go to the staff only floors.
Doors closing. Lift going up. Doors open. Doors closing. Lift going down. Doors open.